Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have already started the course of Cambridge O-level physics by Hooder Education, and we are reading chapter 1.6 Momentum. Chapter name is Momentum, and we have already solved the questions included in Test Yourself portion. Now I am going to another portion, exam style questions. Sorry. First of all, a truck of A of mass 500 kg moving at 4 meter per second collides with another truck B of mass 1500 kg moving in the same direction at 2 meter per second. हमारे पास एक ट्रक है जिसका मैस 500 किलोग्राम है और 4 मीटर पर सेकंड की वेलोसिटी से सफ़र कर रहा है, और दूसरा ट्रक जो है उसका मैस 1500 किलोग्राम है, वो उसी सीमत में 2 मीटर पर सेकंड की वेलोसिटी से मूव कर रहा है। हमने फाइंड क्या करना है, पहले वो कह रहा है स्टेट एन एक्सप्रेशन फॉर मोमेंटम। मोमेंटम का पहले हमें एक्सप्रेशन दिखाएं, वो बना के दिखाएं। तो पहला हमें पता है मोमेंटम की डेफिनेशन से, वी नो दैट फ्रॉम द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम, मोमेंटम इज इक्वल टू मास मल्टीप्लाई बाय वेलोसिटी। सो ए पार्ट इज हियर, momentum of the body P equal to mass multiplied by velocity m multiplied by v. Okay, A part has been done. Second part, calculate the momentum of truck A before collision. The mass of truck A is 500 kg and moving with 4 meter per second. It's the velocity of the truck A. So its momentum will be truck A, mass 500 multiplied by velocity 4, 500 multiplied by 4, 2000 Newton second. Newton second is the unit of momentum. Truck B. C part, calculate the momentum of the truck B before the collision. Collision से पहले इसका भी हमने momentum मालूम करना है। तो mass is given 1500 kg, velocity is equal to 2 meter per second. So 1500 multiplied by 2, 3000 Newton second. And we know that by law of conservation of momentum, total momentum before collision TA plus TB is equal to 2000 को 300 में प्लस कर देंगे, we add 2000 plus 300, 3000 is equal to 5000 Newton second. After collision, fourth part, determine the common velocity of trucks after the collision. After collision, both moves with single velocity, that is called common velocity. Here I have written, after collision, MA mass A truck plus MB mass B truck multiplied by common velocity VC, and we know that total momentum after collision is equal to TA plus TB. TA plus TB mean it is the PTA and PTB. It is the momentum of truck A and it is the momentum of truck B before collision, and MA mass of A truck plus MB mass of B truck multiplied by VC common velocity, and this momentum is after the collision. So by law of conservation of momentum, both momentums are same, equal. So we add these two momentum, we got the answer 5000 Newton second. And here 500 plus 1500 mass multiplied by VC, 500 jama 1500 plus 1500 2000, so 5000 divided by 2000, VC is equal to 2.5 meter per second. It is the common velocity.